Older homes in Loves Park have a charm that's hard to match: detailed woodwork, sturdy craftsmanship, and a sense of character that tells a story. But while the architecture may be timeless, some elements of the home, like the doors, eventually show their age. Drafts, squeaky hinges, and misaligned frames are all too common, especially in properties that have weathered decades of Illinois' seasonal changes. That's where professional door installation comes in. While many homeowners view door replacement as a simple cosmetic upgrade, having your doors professionally installed offers a range of hidden benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. From improving comfort to boosting efficiency and safety, this upgrade can make a world of difference for older Loves Park homes. Improved energy efficiency and comfort: older doors often have small gaps, worn-out weather stripping, or warped frames that allow air to leak in and out. During Loves Park's cold winters and warm summers, these leaks can make your home uncomfortable and drive up your energy bills. A professional door installer ensures a precision fit that seals your home properly, eliminating drafts and minimizing energy loss. Modern doors also come with insulated cores and weather-resistant materials that further enhance efficiency. The result? A cozier home, lower utility bills, and reduced strain on your heating and cooling systems, all without sacrificing your home's historic charm. Enhanced security and peace of mind: with age, door frames can weaken, and outdated locks may not provide adequate protection. This can leave your home more vulnerable to forced entry. Professional installers don't just hang your door, they fortify it. They use reinforced hardware, secure strike plates, and modern locking systems that improve safety and durability. Many installers also ensure the frame and hinges are properly aligned and anchored to resist prying or impact. For older homes with unique architectural details, professionals can recommend security solutions that blend seamlessly with your home's traditional design while giving you peace of mind. Better noise reduction: over time, doors lose their ability to block outside noise. Worn seals, thin materials, and uneven fitting can allow every sound from passing traffic or nearby construction to seep indoors. Modern replacement doors, especially when installed by professionals, provide excellent sound insulation. Solid core materials and proper sealing techniques create a quieter, more peaceful interior, a welcome change for anyone living in a busy Loves Park neighborhood. Preservation of historic character: one of the greatest concerns homeowners have when upgrading older properties is preserving their authentic look. The wrong door style or an improper fit can clash with the home's architectural design and diminish its charm. Professional installers understand how to balance modern performance with historical preservation. They can help you choose doors that replicate the original style, materials, and detailing, whether that means a classic wood entry door, a paneled colonial design, or a craftsman-style model. Many local professionals even offer custom fitting services, ensuring your new door looks authentic while performing like new. Increased property value and curb appeal: a new, well-fitted door can do wonders for your home's curb appeal. Peeling paint, dents, or outdated styles can make even a well-maintained home look neglected. Professional installation guarantees that your door fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and complements your home's overall aesthetic. Potential buyers notice these details. A professionally installed, energy-efficient, and secure door can increase your home's resale value and make it stand out in Loves Park's competitive housing market. Long-term performance and fewer repairs: DIY or poorly installed doors often lead to issues down the road. Sticking, misalignment, and premature wear are common problems. Professional installation eliminates these headaches by ensuring your door is level, properly insulated, and securely fastened. Many professional installers also offer warranties on both materials and labor, giving you confidence that your investment is protected. With the right installation, your door will perform flawlessly for decades, saving you time and money on maintenance. Final thoughts for homeowners in Loves Park: professional door installation isn't just about upgrading a fixture, it's about improving your entire living experience. From energy savings and security to aesthetics and long-term durability, the benefits go far beyond what's visible. By trusting skilled local installers, you can preserve your home's charm while bringing it up to modern standards of efficiency, comfort, and safety. Whether you're restoring a historic property or simply looking to refresh your home's look, professional door installation is an upgrade that pays off in countless hidden ways.